Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm doing something exciting because it's the first of spring, so I thought why not change up my hair and spice it up a little. So today I'm going to be trying to dye it light browny blonde. It might go orange. Dad's gonna comment and say it's gonna be orange, but let's hope not. So yeah, I'm just gonna be filming little bits and clips of me dyeing my own hair. Well, getting my parents to do it. So 2 days ago I just bleached it with hydrogen peroxide and mixed a bit of baking soda with it to do a paste. So now I've got all the pigments out of my hair. It's a bit orangey looking, which is okay. Hopefully the dye will make it blondish. So first thing I'm going to do is to change out of these clothes and put old clothes that I don't mind getting bleach or anything on it. So yeah, off we go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be brushing my hair, and then we're going to split it into 4 equal parts. So 2 up the top, 2 down the bottom, so that we can put this dye, which we're using the L'Oreal Paris?
L'Oreal,
that's what Dad says. If it's wrong, blame him. Paris, 10.21, very light pale blonde. But on the back, mine's only going to go to that because I have really dark hair. Yeah, so let's get to it.
Becca tends to lighten the hair a little bit with some hydrogen peroxide and
bicarb soda.
So you can see how it's a bit more orangey on the outside but dark underneath. So she stuffed that up. Like
Sorry, you were watching the footy and didn't want to help.
She looks a little bit like a carrot at the moment. But that's okay. If it's natural, but it's not natural.
Look at the shade different.
Yes, look at the shade difference. So she's going to dye her hair.
That's her original hair.
She wants to go lighter and be a blondie.
Because it's spring.
But, I don't know. Not having much hair myself, I'd rather that people left their hair alone. I'd be happy with what they got.
Oh well.
But that's Dad.
So now we separate it into little pigtails.
Quarters.
And now we are going to be opening up the box dye. Let's see what we have. So we have the instructions, which we're going to read that. We have the developer. We have the mask, so the conditioner thing for afterwards. We have the colouring cream. I honestly can't take myself seriously, look at the screen. And we have a little bottle of shampoo. How nice. And we have this thing. Okay, so we need to add, we have the bottle. We need to add 1A, that's 1B, 1A into 1B. Start applying the mix to the roots of dry and washed hair. Use the bottle tip. This thing to separate the hair section by section. Spread and apply the remaining product all over their hair and leave to develop for 30 minutes. I don't get it. I pierced it. Why is nothing?
What's that?
A black bit. Oh, I have to go the other way.
You haven't even put the blonde
in.
No.
Dad to the rescue.
Probably. Squeeze it.
I pierced it. Oh, so don't worry, I come.
So guys, this needs to be wound all the way down to the bottom.
Just the white thing you wind all the way down.
To pierce it.
Pierce it. Now it's pierced. So now I add number 1A, which is this, into this. We've got instructions here.
Shake.
Yeah, and shake it to obtain a completely even mixture.
Oh.
Make sure that that's not a hole on top.
We
No,
did
it's
pierce
not.
it, so
Good
it's
job.
fine.
And then it says twist off the upper
Oh,
curve.
when am I? Tighten little holes in here.
Thanks,
Go
Dad.
onto this
In the comb piece.
to make her look different. Here we go. Oh my God. It's no good turning back now.
This is toxic. Sorry guys, make sure you wear a mask. It's toxic. Oh!
So their sales have just gone down.
It does reek. Make sure you do this in an open area.
Oh, we are. We're outside.
You stand here and you smell how toxic
No,
it is.
no.
Give her a mask or something then.
Shit. A mask in Corona? That wouldn't go. Here we go. Oh yeah, smell wise. Oh, yeah.
Do not use the dye.
So we won't be getting any
Do not
L'Oreal
use the
products for
Do not
free.
use. So now it's all wet. We've spread it all over my hair. So now we just got to leave it for 30 minutes.
See the progress, how light it is. Anyway. We'll see how it turns out.
Now I'm going to set my timer for 30 minutes and off we go. So it's been 20 minutes, so I've got 10 more minutes left of leaving this in my hair. But it's looking a little orangey ready. So let's fingers crossed that it doesn't stay that way and it goes blondish. So it's been 30 minutes. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be applying the shampoo into my hair, and then we're going to be rinsing that off and then adding the conditioner mask and leaving that on for 3 minutes and then rinsing that off. So we're going to do that now. So I'm going to rinse it with warm water.
She's foaming it off. Work it in. Use your fingernails. That's
Just
it. Being a hairdresser.
Now it's been 3 minutes, leaving the conditioner hair mask thing in. So now we're just I'm gonna rinse it.
I can't tell it's gone bright orange.
It's gone bright orange. And rinse your hair. Cool. So now that I've rinsed my hair and everything and washed it with shampoo and conditioner, I'm gonna let it dry and then I will show you what it looks like once it's dry. 4, 3, 2, 1. It's very orange. Pretty buffy, it's because it's all dried out. Now I can't put product in it because it's all raw in it, so I had to just use the shampoo and conditioner they gave me. I will put some purple shampoo in 2 days time to hopefully make it less orangey. Fingers crossed it goes more blondie. But yeah, I tried. I'll show what it looks like tomorrow. So it's now been 2 days since I've dyed my hair and it's still looking orangey. And now I'm going to wash it with some purple shampoo. I did a lot of research saying like if I had to use purple conditioner as well. Some say like you don't have to, just use a regular conditioner, like a hair mask. So I think I'm going to try putting it on dry hair for 10 minutes and then I'm going to rinse it out and might try to use the hair mask thing that came with the hair dye and see how that goes on just the ends for my conditioner part. So the purple shampoo I'm using, because my hair dye was L'Oreal or whatever it's called. The hair dye I got purple shampoo of the same brand to try that out. So I got this one. So it's for yellow and orangey tones, which mine is definitely ready orangey. Yeah, so I will try that out now. So this is what my hair looks like after purple shampoo, washing it. and hair conditioner, hair mask. And now it's dry, so that's what it looks like. It's still orangey. We'll have a look in this light. It's still pretty orangey. That bit wasn't dyed there probably. But yeah, I'm gonna try and re-dye it in a week or so. So thanks for watching my YouTube video. I hope you liked watching me dye my hair and watching it go orange and not go well. A bit of a fail attempt. So if you like this video, you want to see more videos like this, or you want to see my part 2 of this, of me re-dyeing it, make sure you like and subscribe. Follow my Instagram, which is attached below, 24_Beck, to see what my hair will look like when I re-dye it. Thanks for watching and enjoy your lockdown if you're in lockdown like me.
Lucky in lockdown, no one will see you.
Away.
You haven't even put the blonde
No.
in yet.
Close uploads. Shit. Shit. What did I say? Shit. I mean, bursting and damage.
Shake, shake, shake. Taking the house.
I got it on camera. Talk about gloop to gloop.
Who wants a cocktail?
This is toxic. Oh.
So their sales have just gone down.
Hush over there, man.
Okay, because we don't want your hair getting coronavirus.
Things we do in lockdown.
A disclaimer, no animals were hurt in the making of this commercial. Except for Becky, she's an animal. She's a monkey.
Thanks.
Oh yes, smell wise. Oh, yeah.
Do not use the dye.
So we won't be getting any
Do not
L'Oreal
use the
products.
Do not use dye to dye eyelashes, eyebrows. Matt, you can go up the face.
What? She said that eyelashes.
So don't.
Oh, well they're gone blonde. Oh, you were going to be an ambassador for them, but I think they're going to sue you from saying their products are toxic.
Any comments, Dad? On my hair?
Yeah, cool look.
Thanks, Dad. Appreciate the support. Press the red button.
I did, and the record's still going. So.